Again, I welcome you in class 7th SS. Our chapter going on is the rise of small kingdoms in the North India. Our next topic is Palas. There are very less information is available about the Palas because there is very less number of scholars present at that time to write the literature. So the period between the death of Harsha and ascending of Palas is the very crucial period for the Bengal and the Bihar. But it is well known that during this time, Bengal faced a lot of infighting among the small kingdoms. There are so many small kingdoms found in the Bengal and Bihar, and they keep on fighting with one another. The Palas dynasty become its name after the people of Pala dynasty put a sub name Pala after their name. That's why this dynasty is known as the Pala. The kings are there. Gopala is the strongest king at the Pala dynasty. Next is the Dharmpala was the greatest ruler of Pala dynasty. He set up a center of Buddhist education which are known as the Vikramsil Vihar. Vikramsil Vihar is a place where education given for the Buddhist education, and the Palas sent their people to distant countries to spread the Buddhism religion. So this is the very limited information about Palas is present here. Next are the Pratiharas. They are also known as the Gujara Pratihara because they originated from the Gujarat. गुजरात में इनका जन्म हुआ था, इसलिए इसको बोलते हैं गुजारा प्रतिहाराज. दे रूल्ड ओवर गुजरात एंड वेस्ट साउथ वेस्टर्न राजस्थान. द फाउंडर ऑफ प्रतिहारा एम्पायर वाज दी नागा भट्टा फर्स्ट. इफ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ प्रतिहाराज, द आंसर इज द नागा भट्टा फर्स्ट. Next is the greatest ruler of this dynasty was Mihir Bhoj. He conquered Kannauj around 836 CE. Kannauj is present at that time in the MP area. So he conquered means capture the Kannauj in 836 CE. The continuous battle weakened the Pratihara Empire and it broke into a number of small kingdoms. They are in continuous fighting with one another. Next is the Pratihara king were also a great patrons of art and literature. King Mihir Bhoj himself was a well-known scholar. Scholar means a person who write certain books. Regional language developed at a fast rate under the Pratihara rule. During this time, early from Marathi and Gujarati were spoken in the Western India. Bengali, Assami and Odia were become popular in the Eastern India. There are so many beautiful temples present at this empire. The temples are Khujuraho, Kachipuram, Thanjavur, Bhubaneswar, Puri and Konark were built during the rule of the Pratihara. The art of miniature painting also started during this period. Miniature here means the painting that take place on the cloth. Next is the one of the most important topic of this chapter, tripartite struggle. Tripartite here means three dynasties. Three dynasties fought for the only one area, or the area is Kannauj area. The three dynasty fought for the Kannauj area. It is known as the tripartite struggle. The three states were Rashtrakutas, the Palas and the Pratiharas. They fought with one another for the capture the Kannauj. Each of them succeeded in occupying Kannauj in turns as they were almost at a part in a military stand. But the continuous battles weakened them finally and led to the decline of all the three great powers. And with the passage of time, all the three dynasties were declined. So that's it for today. We'll discuss our next topic.